editing a table. In our previous video, we discussed different types of tables in Project 2007. In this lesson, we are going to discuss editing a table. We have Project 2007 open. Now here, we are going to discuss editing the table. For that, we need to open up a table, so go to View and then select the Table option here. We can select the tables here for editing, or we can also select the More Tables option here for selecting a particular table. But the real example for editing a table will be explained only by clicking on the More Tables option here, so click on More Tables now. As we discussed, we can select either Task or Resource. So let's select Task here and then click on Copy. Exactly what we're going to do in this lesson is we are going to edit a predefined table and make a new copy of that table with a new format. By doing that, the old copy will be retained. So click on Copy here, and immediately a new window opens and asks us to give a new name to this table. We made an exact copy of the cost table, so look at the name here, Copy of Cost. Let the name be the same. I'm not going to change that now. Look at the columns here. We have field name, align name, width, title, etc. The interesting news is that we can edit all the options listed here. So let's see how to edit this. ID, this is the first column here. When I click on that, the black colored line disappears and this line becomes editable. Also, when I select this row, look at the options here. We can cut this row and copy it anywhere. We can copy this row to have another copy. We can insert a new row here. And finally, we can delete this row if we don't need it. I'm selecting the first row here, and I'm going to click Insert Row. See, immediately a new row has been added. Select ACWP from the drop-down and check this. Now we have the new row added. We can align this if we need it in the right side or center, and we can change that here. This tells the width of the entire cell. It's 10 here. I'm not going to change that now. We can also change the date format by clicking the drop-down here. So click OK now. See, this window got updated immediately. We have the Copy of Cost here, so select this and then click Apply. See, now we have the new table here with the new row ACWP added. In this video, we discussed editing tables. In the next lesson, we're going to talk about adjusting tables to have a good look and feel. Let's talk about adjusting tables in our next lesson.